Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to put a wave on this. It's a grazing board that sits up on little gold legs. Anyway, so I'm going to put a wave on this section just here, and I'm going to use some dark turquoise, some titanium white, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this stuff in there because it gives it a little bit of a sparkle. So this is the Dr. P.H. Martin's Iridescent Jade. Alright. Oh, also I'll be using DiamondCote resin. Alright, let's get started.
Moments later. Twenty minutes later. The next day.
This bit, I was like, that's great. I'm really wishing I hadn't messed with this bit. So, I tried 3 or 4 times or something like that to fix it. So, yeah, you're better off if you don't touch it. If you don't like something, just do another layer next. It's really going to be impossible to like match this up. But I'm going to give it a go. So my plan is that I'm going to put I'm going to put clear over the whole thing because this needs a clear coat anyway. And then I'm just going to try and match up the white here and see if I can. If I can't, then I don't know, I might wipe it off and figure something else out. But either way, you're coming along for the ride. Alright, let's get to it. We're talking about this bit just here. So we're going to have to try and fix that.
More moments later. Twenty minutes later.
This is what it looks like after I tried to fix it, and you can very easily see that it doesn't look the same.
2 days later. Twenty minutes later.